Welcome to you all in your English class, Chapter 2, Lost Spring, and this is some part of your chapter. This is like the last paragraphs today we'll start with. And previously we have read that Mukesh father was engaged in the job of like a bangle maker. He's over there and he's trying to manage to teach his kids also or to his sons also how to do this job. So today we'll start with this. Now how families run over there and how what are the customs they follow, that their daughter-in-laws have to cover their face in front of the male members. So today we'll start with this paragraph. It is his karam, his destiny, says Mukesh grandmother, who has watched her own husband go blind with the dust from polishing the glass of bangles. So Mukesh की जो grandmother हैं, she yours explain everything to the authoress like it is his karam. So because this is like what he is doing here, or what is like past, depend upon the past things, that how the karams और डेस्टिनी सेज मुकेश ग्रैंड मदर, ऐसा मुकेश की ग्रैंड मदर कहती है, हु हैज़ वॉच्ड हर ओन हस्बैंड गो ब्लाइंड विद द डस्ट. सो उसने देखा है कि कैसे विद दैट डस्ट which coming out of these glass furnaces while making bangles, how this dust is harmful for his husband, and due to the working in those kind of factories his husband is like blind today. So that is why she is saying that this is all karma. Can a god given lineage ever be broken, she implies. सो वो थोड़ा सा ब्रोकन हार्ट से बोलती है, क्या गॉड थोड़ा सा हमारे साथ लीनियंट नहीं हो सकता. बॉर्न इन द कास्ट ऑफ अ बैंगल मेकर, बिकॉज गॉड ने ही हमें इस कास्ट में जन्म दिया है, लाइक बैंगल मेकिंग वर्क में. दे हैव सीन नथिंग बट बैंगल्स, उन्हें कुछ नहीं दिखता बट बैंगल्स दिखते हैं. इन द हाउस, इन द यार्ड, इन एवरी अदर हाउस, एवरी अदर यार्ड, एवरी स्ट्रीट इन फिरोज़ाबाद, spiral of bangles, sunny gold, paddy green, royal blue, pink, purple, every color born out of the 7 colors of the rainbow. So here authoress is explaining that in Mukesh house you can see, because they are this is their like their business which is going on from their generations, so they have to make bangles, and in their house also, in the yard of the house, like in the verandas or corridors, everywhere you can see, or in the streets of Firozabad, because Firozabad is famous for what? Bangles. You can see what? Bangles. So spiral bangles, here spiral means bangles is in form of circle shape. You can see those bangles, sunny gold, paddy green, royal blue, pink, purple. So authoress is trying to explain here that every color bangle is over there, available over there, every color born out of the 7 colors of the rainbow, and it look like the 7 colors of rainbow are over there and lie in mounds in unkempt yard. And it's like बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में वहाँ पर क्या रखे हुए थे, ओनली बैंगल्स आर देयर, आर पिल्ड ऑन 4-wheeled hand carts pushed by young men along with narrow lanes of shanty town. And those people who are doing this transport work on their 4-wheeler hand carts is kind of a, you can say that it is a kind of a vehicle, or it is a kind of a transport means which people used to buy that, and they are earning their livelihood with that by carrying those loads. So there is a man वो क्या करता है कि उसके पास एक हैंड कार्ट है जिसको वो पुल करके या पुश करके उसमें बैंगल्स से रिलेटेड जो भी मटेरियल होता है, ही केप्ट दोज मटेरियल इन दैट पर्टिकुलर हैंड कार्ट, एंड वो वहाँ की जो नैरो लेन्स हैं या सकड़ी गलियाँ हैं उनसे वो उस शैंटी टाउन्स में लेके जाता है. एंड इन डार्क हटमेंट्स next to lanes of flames of flickering oil lamps sit boys and girls with their fathers and mothers. और जैसे ही वो ऐसी dark hutments means kind of a places where there is a darkness or there is a hutments are there, and on those narrow places वहाँ पे कुछ फ्लिकरिंग ऑयल लैम्प्स जल रहे हैं एंड इन दोज उन लैम्प्स की जो रोशनी है उसमें देर आर सम बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स आर सिटिंग ओवर देयर विद देयर फैमिलीज और फादर मदर welding pieces of colored glass into circle of bangles. And what they are doing, they are welding those pieces. So basically glass को जब circle shape में लाके जब उसे join किया जाता है, that joining process, so that process is called the welding process, as similar to like the welding of the iron material. So their eyes are more adjusted to dark than to the light outside. So because these people are engaged in this kind of work from generations, so they are used to of the darkness instead of the light outside. So ये लोग darkness में रहने के कुछ समय तक जो they are used to of that. That is why they often end up losing their eyesight before they become adults. So that is why these people are like those who are losing their eyesight due to this situation. And when they lose their eyesight due to this condition of making high temperature glass making or welding of these pieces of glass colored into circle of bangles, so how these people live here and how Mukesh family on his livelihood here, all it is explained in this part of the paragraph. Student will continue our next paragraph in our next video.